Hello everyone. So here I am presenting my presentation for my project Smart Home Automation System. In this project, basically we are doing smart home operations like operating LED LED bulb with web page and with a mic operation. As you can see the inpic while we will speak in the mic, and after that it will turn on the LED. So first question come in the mind, what is home automation? The automatic control we get from electric devices in our home is called home automation. These devices can be connected to the internet, can be remotely accessed, can be connected with web page, which is through internet only. After that, there are project goals. The project goals in this, we have to build our home automation system without using Google Assistant, but in this I am trying to build our own speaking operation because Google Assistant API is not working. I tried, so I will be get back on this, but I will try with Google Assistant as well. And after that, we have controlled. It can be controlled through a mobile, through our PCs. The hardware required in my project is Raspberry Pi 4, 2 channel 8 channel relay, some wires, LDR sensor. When the light will be dim, it will say for turn on the lights. When light will be more, it will say turn off the lights. Temperature sensor. When the temperature will be below room temperature, it will turn on the fans. Otherwise, it will turn off the fans. It will above. If temperature will be above, it will turn on, and if temperature will be less, it will turn off. After that, we have Nano 33 IoT device. It's a hardware, and after that, gas sensor. If there is a gas leakage in the kitchen, it will send the alarm red alert to the website, and as well as there will be buzzer, which will also boom boom when it will detect the gas. So the function description, it is only theoretical part in which we will give voice commands and we will get output. After that, voice recognition concept. In voice recognition concept, basic idea is the client will speak, and after that it will convert from analog to digital signal. The advantages of our home Google home automation system. Smart home automation system is flexibility and convenience, security. It will save the cost. It makes the home more technologically empowerment. Wireless communication will be there. It is used for Identica and many other people. So any questions, comment or suggestions? Thank you guys.